Okay, so we're trying to find the surface area of a right prism. And so again, on this one, we're going to use the formula. The surface area of a prism is 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height. For this problem, our base is the trapezoid. A trapezoid would never be a lateral side, so it must be the base. And so that's going to be our base. So the area of a trapezoid is just 1/2 times the height of the base times the sum of the two bases, and then plus the perimeter, which we're going to have to calculate, times the height. And the height is going to be the distance between the bases. So in this case, we're given it as 15. Okay, so we need to go about finding out this information. So for example, we need to find out what the height is. We need to find that length. We need to find out what this length is and this length is because we need the perimeter of the base. So to do that, we use the fact that we got these 30, 60, 90 angles that are given to us. They had to be given to us for us to know. So we draw in, whenever we were doing trapezoids, we always drew in the two heights to those vertices. This is the short leg of this 30, 60, 90 because it's opposite the 30. So short leg is always half the hypotenuse. So this is 6, which means the height of our base is 6. So that's nice. This is going to be 6 root 3 because we know that the long leg is just root 3 times the short leg. Over in this triangle, that leg is 6, but that leg actually turns out to be the long leg. So to find the short leg, we need it to be 6 divided by root 3, which simplifies to 2 root 3. So the short leg is 2 root 3, which means the hypotenuse is 4 root 3. Since this base up here is 6 and we drew these in at right angles, we created a rectangle. Actually, it turns out to be a square. And so that length is 6. So remember that these two are not the same in this problem because perimeter is a little bit different than the sum of the two bases. The sum of the two bases is going to be 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3, which turns out to be 12 plus 8 root 3. And then the perimeter of the base is going to be 6 plus 12 plus 6, which is 24. And then 6 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3, which is 12 root 3. Now I need to go through and multiply it out. We have this nice thing that happens here with the 2 times 1/2 that just goes away. And so that's going to give you 72 plus 48 root 3 plus 24 times 15, which is 360, plus 12 times 15, which is 180 root 3. When you add all these together, you get 432, 72 plus 360, and then 48 plus 180 is 228 root 3. So the correct answer to this problem is 432 plus 228 root 3.